Hello, this is Simon Lewis, and this is my Unix and Linux lab experiment number 1, basic Unix command. So in this experiment, we'll be performing some basic Unix commands using shell scripting. So for first question here is, list the contents of user's home directory, including the hidden files. So to view all the hidden files and all the files in the home directory, use the command ls-a. This will display us all the hidden files of the home directory. The next question is, list the content of / variable directory. So here we use ls/var, and this will shows all the directory content of this directory. And the next is to create two directories named dir1 and dir2. So we use the command mkdir space dir01 space dir02. Since the file is already existing here, so it cannot be created again with the same name. And the same goes again for to create a hidden directory with your name. So it's mkdir with a dot and the directory name. So this will be a hidden directory. And the next is to change the directory dir1. So what we do is cid and dir01. So what the cd does is it changes the directory. And next question is create a file test1.txt using vim editor with the following contents. So here this has been created using the command cat test1.txt. So as we can see here, the name, register number, and the research interest and the following contents has been created and displayed. Next question is to display the names of students who are having research interest as grid computing. So we have the command as grep computing, grid computing. test1.txt. So grep grid computing will display us all the students who are having research interest as grid computing. And the next question is list all the students names and register number in the class. So to list all the students name along with the register number, we use the command cut -c along with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 space test1.txt. So this will display along with the name and register number. The next is to display the contents of the file test1.txt without any blank line. So we have the command as cat -b and test1.txt. So this displays the contents of the file without any blank line. The next question is change the directory into dir2. So all we have to do is use the command cd space dir and your directory name. Yes, and we are inside. To come out of the directory, we use the command. And to next question is to check whether the file sample.txt is present there. So we use the command ls. So we have a file new.txt. To come out and to rename the sample text to new text, we have mv space new.txt space sample.txt. Again we can do an ls, and we can see the file name from new.txt is changed to sample.txt. And to come out of the directory we use the command cd. And the next question is display the calendar of December 2020. So we have it as, we use the command as cal, the month of which you want, and the year 2020. So we have the calendar for the month of December of the year 2020. Next question is remove the directory dir1. So it's easy. All we have to do is rn to remove, -r, and the directory name. The directory is removed. Let's check whether the directory is present or not. No such file or a directory, because we just deleted the directory. To display the last three lines of the file text1.txt, we use the command tail -n. Since we need the last three lines, we use 3 space test1.txt, which is the file name, and we can see the last three names. The next question is display all the commands executed so far. And the next question is how many files are present under your home directory. To check the number of files present under a home directory, we use ls -1 bar wc. So this displays as the number of files under our current home directory, that is 118. So this was my Unix lab experiment number 1. Thanks for watching.